Hi, I'm Eric Spenceley with Spenceley Design Co. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick shop tip. So if you guys are anything like me, you love to control the dust in your shop. You don't want it all over the place. However, it's really hard to connect some of your devices to your shop vac. For example, an orbital sander like this has a really small port and it's not going to connect to a shop vac. Now sure, they make adapters like this one here. As you can see, we've actually wrapped this one in tape to try to solve the problem, but it still doesn't fit well. Now one option would be to 3D print some custom adapters for each individual device, but we don't have one of those. So what we found that's way easier and cheaper is at your local home center. And it's these guys right here. Now these are called flexible PVC adapters. What makes them so great is they're very flexible, so the hose clamp on them can just be tightened to perfectly fit every device that you're using them for. So here's an example with our belt sander. Now if we just try to attach our dust hose directly to it, nowhere close to fitting. And if we use one of these adapters that you can buy to go with this kit, it fits on here great, but as soon as you put it in here, it comes right out. It's not tight at all. So what we can do is take one of these. Now this will fit directly on here. We'll tighten this up and tighten that up and it'll fit perfectly. Now it doesn't need to be super tight. All that I would do is slide it in and tighten it with your drill. Just enough until it grabs. That way, it's tight on there, but it's got a friction fit, so if you want to take it off, you just twist it, and it's coming off. Now you can put it right back on. And back over at the belt sander, we can do the exact same thing. Just put it over the nozzle, tighten it down, and this is not going anywhere. Now you could definitely just keep this on here, and that's what we actually do. We just keep one on every individual tool since these are all different sizes on every tool. But you could really just keep one and swap them out between all of your different tools. The choice is up to you. And when you do end up getting multiple of these adapters, you can put the tool on one, use it, easily take it off, and slide it over to the other one. It's that simple. And the other place we really like to use it is our router edge guide. Just pop it in, now it's going to collect all that dust. And then we also use this slightly larger one right on the back of our table saw. Hey, we really hope this shop tip helped you out. Now you can keep all the dust in your shop under